Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve disabled ad account on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve disabled ad account on Facebook, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook app and you can click in this page. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you